Hello, my name is furaha, and I'm going to explain the work that we have given to do in the Python and fundamental of AI. The task was about to create a web page that will help us to fetch or bring data from the website which is called Amazon and come into the web page that we have created. So we are not writing in this. We are going to do first to show you how this was worked. Uh, Among the question, it was about to create the web page that will help us to bring data from the Amazon website into that web page that has been created, and also after that it will save those data of the product that you have bring from the Amazon into the file which is called Excel. So means that all data will be for converted into the Excel format. I'm going to show you how everything I was doing in this Python. Here we have two pages as you see here. The first one is the about the index. Index, it is contained by the form that will help us to search for the product we want. For example, here we have product, that is the headers, which will help us to bring the data from the website Amazon into our own created. And here we have the table header, table data, which will help us to bring data related to what we have searched about and bring it into our own created one. So here we have another coded Amazon Python, and it is contain so many things which is very important than about in this, and we are going to explain about how this work, how this performed step by step. So for the first one we have the modules. About here we have 5 modules. The first one, it is called Flask. As you see here, it is Flask data print request. Here we have the first one, which is called Flask. Flask, it is the module or libraries which help us to create the web page. And here we have another which is called requests. Request, it is the module which is help us to request data from any website to our own created one. So here we have another which is called beautiful soup. Beautiful soup, it is the another module which help us to interact the data from the website to our own created one. And here we have another which is called open PyExcel. OpenPyExcel, it is the module which helps us to learn or to understand the extension of Excel. It means that you cannot learn this program with the Excel format without importing this module which is called the OpenPyExcel. And there is the last one we have used, which is called OS. OS, as you see here, it is an operating system. In the Python, this OS module means that it can read all file or folders which is in your computer or which is in your operating system, which means that you cannot access any file or folders without having this module which is called the OS. That's why you have imported this, because we will need it as we going to explain in the below code. So let us continue with the function. First function, it is the function which is very important. I was used to to call the headers of the information that come from the website which is called Amazon. Here we have header. Header, this header, it is contain the data which come from the Amazon. This means that you cannot perform Amazon without the permission of entering or request anything to Amazon, which means that Amazon, it is the website which is very secure. You cannot bring data from there without having the success or permission, which means that this code are the code which is contained in the source code of the website of Amazon. So that's why you have bring it in order to make sure that when you are going to bring or to search about anything in Amazon, cannot access it without having this one, which means that when you have these codes, you cannot run anything to Amazon. You cannot have an access to Amazon. So this line of code is very important, because you cannot run this what we are going to do without having these codes. So here we have another which is called the response request.get. These two lines, this means this line is are explain or calling this header, because in order to run those codes above, you cannot run it without calling it in your URL. As you see here, it is universal resource locator, which will help you to search what you want in the header. And here we have another which is called for. As you see here, it is the loop. About the for, it is when you will search any product you want, it will not bring only one you search. For example, if you search a printer, it is an example, it cannot bring only one printer when you use for loop, which means that it will bring all information related to printer, all names related to printer. So this is why we have used for. And there is another which is called product name element result find span class. As you see here, I'm telling you this line. About this line, it will return all result, it will find all result related to what the product you have searched about. And here we have if condition. As you know, it describes when if the what you want to do, if it is perfect, it will return true. If it is not perfect, it will return false. As you see here, in the product name, as you see here, it will bring all information about the product name. If you use the product name product element.text.strip, this strip will help us to reject all unnecessary data from that product name and bring only original data we have searched about. And here we have we remember that we are still in the function which is called the scrap Amazon, which is very important because so many things is combined in this function. And I'm going to continue telling you about this function. Let me go about here for the if price lm. This lm is the same as what I have told you about the strip. For example, if you searched about iPhone, you know that the iPhone have so many types. There is iPhone Pro Max, iPhone Pro Max, Pro Double, and so on, which means that if you search iPhone, it will not bring all those details about iPhone. It will bring iPhone. This means that this strip, it will reject all those unnecessary information to the name that you have been searched about. So let me continue. And this, as you know, when the condition it was true, it bring the answer that you want to bring. If it is false, it will continue or skip according to what you want to print. So here we have another codes line about the image element. This image element is the same as, if you remember, I have told about the product name. It will work as, it will be the same as the image. So because this image, it will return all information about the image. For example, if there is so many image of printer, according to what, if you was search about the printer, it will bring all image related to the name of the printer. Here we have another, as you see, are the same as the above at this line. Okay, and then I'm going to tell you about these two lines. As you was asked about to do, it is all about to display the commission fees, which will be the like the discount of 10%. As you see here, for this product commission, it will be discount for the 10 discount percent. As you see here, this is what you have to in these lines of code. So another here, it is the another question which was about to print the summation of product price and product commission fees. As you see here, it is the summation of the product price and the product commission. Let me continue with another code, and which is very important. It's all about rating element. This is the element will return all rating result from the website which is called Amazon to our own created one, and this is working as the same as rating element. And here we have as you see here, this is the end of our first function, which is called scrap Amazon, and this is the end of this function. It is ended for here, and then we are going to continue with another function which is called save to Excel. As you asked in the question, as asked that we must bring data from the Amazon to our own created web page, and automatically it will be display the list of that information in the format of Excel. So this function will help us to display, to make the good way of displaying Excel. So that here I'm going to show you how the Excel works in this code. So as you see here, we have workbook and OpenPy Excel.workbook. As I explained above, this OpenPy Excel, it is the module library which will help us to read the Excel format. So here it is needed to add. You cannot perform this action without adding OpenPy Excel. Here we have sheet work.active. This line of code, it will help us to activate the, if you have Microsoft, of course, in your computer, you cannot run the Excel without activating that in this code. So this line, it is about to activate your Excel in order to bring all data from the website to your own created web page. And here you have headers. As I told you above code, headers will bring all data from the website which is called Amazon to the worksheet. As you know, at the worksheet we must indicate where the headers and the data will be inserted. So that's why you have created these headers. And also here we have, as you know, for columns and rows in enumerate, header one, and so on. So as we know, every sheet has rows and column. Is the same as here. All data will be inserted in the row format, row and columns. So another one, here it is the same as what I have saying. Okay, let me explain about this, which is very important. As you asked to do in the task, you was asked to do, to if you bring data from a website which is called Amazon, it will be saved automatically on the desktop. Here we have imported the module which is called OS. You have seen the importance of OS module, and here you can ask that why you have right here desktop. This desktop is the path where that Excel document will be saved. So as here it is another which is called Excel path file name .excel. So means that all data which has been converted in the Excel format will be saved on the desktop. Let me continue to the third function, which is called save product images, as you asked it to do in the last question. I think it is all about to save the picture. If you have bring data from the website which is called Amazon, their product name and the all details will be bring, and especially their image will be saved on the folder which is called online picture. This online picture, it is the name of the file where all the picture will be saved on the desktop. As you see here, we have described it. So another one, all is about of the image, and what I'm telling you about this is the image URL. It is universal resource locator. It is where we bring that the website. As you see here, we have www.amazon.com. It is the link that will will help to reach on the website which is called Amazon.com. And here we have of course you have the path, for the path as where the information will be saved, I told you. And here we have another two things which is very important. There is get and post. Here we have get. It is the method which is used to fetch data from the website to your web page. So the difference between this get and post is that the post, it is that the get can be display or show the details or information which is behind. So get is not secure, but post it is secure. That's why you have used the post. So here we have another query which is called request.form. This will help you to request the form where the data will be used to search. So here we have another file. As you see, this file I have declared on the above code, and I have told you that it will help us. As you see here, it is this one. It will help us to name the file of the worksheet where the all those information will be converted. As you see, we will see that the information will be converted in the format of Excel. That's why we can use the name where we help to know where the sheet was saved. As you see here, our program is ended here, and I'm going to run and to see how this is working. Okay, let me run. Okay, click on this link, and as you see here, this is the web page that we have created, and it will help us to search what we want to search. Let's go by searching any product that we want. For example, if we search radio, let us wait and to see if it will bring all information, all names related to the radio. We have to wait a moment and see the result. And while we wait, let us visit on the Amazon, www.amazon.com shopping. Let us visit it. For example, we was searched about radio. We want to make sure that all data from the website, which is called Amazon, are the same as what you have searched about, and to make sure what the data was fetched is the same as which is on Amazon.com. As you see here, our program was already run, and there is so many products related to the radio, and their information. As you see here, it is global rating, total prices, commission fees, product price, and you can make sure that if this information is here and it is there in the Amazon, as you see here, they are the same and their names are the same. As you see, I think it is this is the part of the first question that you have asked to do. Another is I'm going to show you where the file format of Excel was be saved. As we told you that we have created and we are locating to save on the desktop with the name and the registration number, and let us see if it was be there automatically. As you see here, let us open. As you see, all information about what you have searched about will be converted automatically in the Excel. As you see here, as I showed you in the code, this is the name of the file that you have chosen to locate our document from Amazon. So there is another which is called online picture, as you see here, and as we have told you that it must be go like that. It is here we have online picture. Let us open. As you see here, all pictures related to what we have searched about will be inserted into the online picture file as you have created in the code. So this is my work, and this is how it was worked and it was running. So thank you very much, and thank you very much. This is the final of my project.